Vic here, creator and co-inventor of the Huggy hands-free hydration and drink system. I wanted to make this short video to teach people how you can take our extra large Huggy and convert it into a one-size-fits-all Huggy that'll work in our speed clip system. As you can see here, I have a couple different size containers and cans and bottles, from a 10-ounce, 12-ounce can, 12-ounce water bottle, 12-ounce long neck, 16-ounce plastic bottles, refillable bottles, 20-ounce Yeti cup, and a 22-ounce tumbler. I'm going to show you, with a slight modification of the stabilizer, how to convert it into a one-size-fits-all Huggy. Simply flip it over, and on the back side you'll see what we call an outer and inner stabilizer. Simply put your first two fingers underneath the outer stabilizer, put your thumb on the inner stabilizer, and simply push and pull at the same time. Outer stabilizer will snap off. Put it on the side. Simply remove your inner stabilizer, set it to the side. Take your extra large Huggy and invert it to whatever length can or bottle you're currently consuming. You can pull this down a little further or push it up a little higher. Simply reinsert your inner stabilizer put your outer stabilizer back on, put your thumbs inside, fingers outside, simply snap back on, and you have a 10 and 12-ounce can. If I would have left it a little taller, you could put a bottle inside. To go back to bottle size, simply repeat the process. Slip your two fingers underneath, snap the outer stabilizer off, remove the inner stabilizer, invert your bottle Huggy back to long, put your inner stabilizer back inside, outer stabilizer outside, thumbs on the back side, fingers on the inside, and snap it back on. There you have an extra large Huggy hands-free drink system and speed clip. So there you have it. Extra large Huggy, one size fits all, speed clip, hands-free hydration drink system. Simply invert it inside out, put your stabilizers back on. You can go from a 10-ounce can, 12-ounce can, as you can see here, all the way up to a Yeti cup, 20-ounce, 22-ounce tumbler. Keep in mind, if you do put a large tumbler inside of your Huggy, it will stretch it out a little bit. And it may not go back to its original size, so if you're going to use it for a tumbler or a Yeti cup, you might want to have two Huggies. But it will work with a Yeti cup. There you have it. 10-ounce can to a 22-ounce tumbler. One size fits all Huggy. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, stay hydrated and clip your sip on your hip.